Hello everyone! So if you want to change and customize the control center on your iPhone 12 Pro, you're to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up your control center. Here you can see different groups of your applications, right? Yep. So let's go to our favorites as the first one and hold our finger on the blank space. Now we can add up some new controls or rearrange the old ones. So you can drag up any control into any place available, right? And it will be there. You can resize it by using this handle, right? So now our timer is a big control, or you can leave it just here. Let's drag it somewhere here. Now let's press add control. And here we can see a huge list of different controls which we can use. For example, let's add up a screen recording and let's make it bigger, just like this. When you're satisfied, simply press on a blank space and now we can freely use our controls as we like. Let's stop our screen recording. All right, and basically that's it. That's how you customize and change your control center. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.